Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard theme by using a picture. So let's start. First, open Google Play Store. Now search for the Gboard app. This app is from Google. It is free to download, so download it and open it right now. Now tap on Theme. To add a picture, tap on the plus icon. And now you can add a picture from your gallery. Now select a picture. Scale it as you like. And then tap Next. Now adjust brightness. And then tap Done. Now tap on Apply. Now let's open a messaging app and open the keyboard. And here you can see that your keyboard has been changed. This is not a Samsung default keyboard. Now let's go back to the Gboard app. You can also select from many themes. You can select from default themes, colored themes, landscape themes, light and dark gradient themes. Now let's go back and tap on Languages. And here you will see many type of keyboard settings. Here they have the regular QWERTY keyboard, a handwriting keyboard, a PC keyboard, and some more options. And that's how you can change the theme of the keyboard by using your picture. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.